Giki.
Hello. Good.
Adi ruwachi kombe chando wan wachero ga chaka meeting maka megwa me Giki. Ki boto ma ana no telo kani brigade operation officer 405 brigade me mi angwen ke kabi ke base na kapele moru kotido.
We have had our meeting there.
Wachi dongin macharo gen mon dongi bero ga choka maka mege ye kenyu.
Because every gathering it is like we are more than, I think now we are around 200.
Yan kombe chane welwa elini wan watima around ana wa niario.
If we are not organized, anything can happen.
Kape wan wa yupe wa bera terra si kidino mo kan ramatime.
And I've told you we are not here for a party. This is an operation area.
Ena kanene kwa wacho na o maber ki wan ni wan pa wabino kan ilogme kudmonyo ilogme party ero wabino area me operation.
And that's why you see we counted ourselves when we reached here.
And
I request the leaders of each district, if you know that someone has come in, include on the list so that we know how many are we.
Anything I lego no tell me districts my papa and my game DT Kanye. You can have more, Chama one wakwan nany, or king in one, so you can make the right list.
For so you are 102 now.
Yes.
Agago, anyone has increased?
Yes. Agago. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are 5.
Okay. So this is 104 now. 103.
No, 102.
No, third canon. No, 6.
They are the one who you're going to throw.
Okay.
Yeah. Agago. Anyone has increased? You are 6 now. You are already 6.
We added 6. Yes.
So now we have 53. Abim, they are ready for your decision.
Okay.
I will come to her here, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Till the morning. Good morning, everybody. First of all, I thank the one who has allowed us to be here today. That is the one we have not seen, but we thank
you. So the other watch, my chair, and it's out for you. I'm more where tin one what it can. My anything up on my paddle.
We are here for specifically one activity. That is identification of animals.
And what you want what you can put and look at Chile gonna pay a tag. And I look from being an Indian Maca Megwa, okay?
We have animals that have been stolen from Agago, Kidgum, Abim, and Turkana.
Don't what you get young Macaqualage, Agago, Abim, Kidgum, Turkana.
And we have called people from these areas to come and identify the animals.
And can you your Mary as a gun or wang, tin and Bino, and a young Maca Maggie?
But I would like to caution that this action is not an action to also breed theft.
And don't you watch it, and I'm a young one, Lungun, tin enemy, you Macomane, Petian local dog make a poor mocane.
I'm trying to say that you people should not use us to steal other people's animals.
And they watch an animal. One machalo one look over my dear world when you need home your what he quite gay, a chalagin diamond.
That means we need to be honest.
You look at the moon, you're one waberu,
if you have not lost an animal, don't say you have lost. If you have lost one, say I've lost one, not 3 or 5. Because things that you get the wrong way will not help you. Instead, it will work against you. You may find that you lose more than you have temporarily gained. So I would like us to be honest. I know we have lost animals, so let's be honest about it. Now, among you, are there people who have come with letters from the leadership that I have lost this animal? How many have those letters? So please collect those letters. Please collect those letters. Okay, you are which district? Kidgum. Agago is where? And Abim is where? So let's collect by district. So let's collect them just silent.
Aronya, come and pick this one.
And we have those records. So we are going to verify all these papers according to our records. And we are giving a time frame. We are not going back to 2010, 2007, 2018. No. The animals we are going to identify for Agago and Kitgum are animals stolen from the 1st of November last year to the 4th of February. The 1st of November up to the 4th of February. These are the animals we are going to identify. We shall not go back in time to October 2021, but I will not. We are beginning from 1st November to 4th of February 2023. For Abim, we are beginning from 1st December to 4th of February. So these are the animals we are going to identify. Animals stolen from that time to that time. So if you have lost animals before that time, then it is advisable you don't proceed to where the animals are. You remain here. Because we don't want confusion during the process. And just like I said, we need honesty. Let us be honest, so that also the one who looks at us, who sees inside us, blesses whatever we are doing. I hope we have got each other well.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it is good that you have understood what I've said. I did not introduce myself. I'm called Lieutenant Colonel Byron Pius Oling. I'm the Brigade Operation Training Officer who deputizes the commander of 405 Brigade. That borders this side, the other side. We control from Abim, Kotido, Kabong, and Kareng. So those are my names.
Lieutenant Colonel Oling, and I tell Lukor, Brigade Commander.
I am the only Munyankole from Kitgum.
Niana Yagi can maybe Munyankole, Maggie Kitgum.
So, that is that. Are we together? Any questions? You may need to understand. Yes, please. Jambo.